Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to quickly update drivers on Windows 11. There are two ways to do this. The first option is to click on your Windows, go over to Settings, and then under Settings you can look at the last option, Windows Update. Click on it, and currently it says you are up to date. You can go ahead and click and check for updates right here. And of course you can see an update right here where we can click on download and install. So you can use this method to quickly update drivers on Windows 11. Now what if this doesn't solve the problem? You can still click on the Windows button on your taskbar and search for Device Manager. So now we have Device Manager, we're going to click on it. And right here, you can see different components where you might want to update the drivers. We're going to go over to Cameras. We have Logitech right here. We're going to right click on it and you can see Update Driver. Click on it. Then go ahead and click and search automatically for drivers. And here it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. So it's going to let you know if there is a driver update available or if you have the latest driver. Since this is the case, we're going to close this. But of course, you can go ahead and choose what you want to, right click on it and choose the update option.